Installing your CCS 1000 ice unit with PEX tubing. First, unplug your ice machine and shut off the water supply. Next, locate a spot close to the ice machine to hang the unit and also close enough to a 110 power outlet. Now open the air dryer box and remove the two red caps from the ends of the air dryer. Install the brass fitting on the end opposite of the twist-off cap. Hang the air dryer either above or next to your ice unit. And finally, connect the air hose from the ice unit to the fitting. Next, connect a water line to the ice unit. The input is on the left side. 3/8 inch PEX tubing will fit right into the John Guest fittings on the ice unit. Now connect a new PEX tube line to the output on the right side of the ice unit and connect the other end of that line to your ice machine. Plug the ice machine in and turn on the water supply to check for any leaks. The green light on the ice unit is lit only when your ice machine is making ice. Installations with 3/8 inch copper tubing will normally use compression sleeves and nuts. The copper tubing will fit into the John Guest fittings on the ice unit. Now connect the copper tubing to the right side of the ice unit directly to your ice machine. Once installation is complete, turn the water back on and check for leaks. Turn your ice machine power back on. And remember, the green light on the ice unit is only on when your ice machine is making ice. Follow the same instructions when using braided water supply hoses. First, insert the adapter into the end of the hose and attach with a hose clamp. Remember, the water input into the ice unit is on the left and the output is on the right. Tips to ensure your ice unit is working: the green light is only on when your ice machine is making ice. If necessary, you can remove the faceplate to check for leaks. Water flow is from the left to the right. Your faceplate must be attached for the ice unit to work properly. The air dryer is important. It removes moisture from the air so the unit can make more ozone. When the beads turn pink, they're wet and need to be dried. Disconnect the air dryer from the wall and remove the brass fitting. You can place the air dryer in the microwave and heat it to dry the beads. Beads will turn purple when they're dry. For very wet air dryers, pour the beads into a microwave-safe bowl and heat them to dry them. Once your beads are dry, carefully pour them back into your air dryer and reinstall the air dryer to the ice unit. If you have questions, please contact your CleanCore distributor. Thank you.